Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. This is the. I'm so bored in this classroom, man. I'm just so bored. Yo, Jason, what should I do? Maybe you should go to the restroom and play in there. Okay, Jason, I'll do that just exactly. Maybe I should pull the fire alarm. Wait, this is not the fire alarm. Maybe I should pull the fire alarm. This is the fire alarm. Oh no! Everyone line up in a straight line right here. The fire alarm's on. Oh, yes, ma'am. All right, everyone, follow me. Okay. Okay. We are outside. Everyone, just hide in here, and we'll be safe. Okay, guys, just be quiet now. You shut up! If you don't shut up, you are moving your clip. Guys, it is a false alarm. It wasn't real. Somebody pulled the fire alarm for fun. See, I told you, William, you are going to get caught. It's not my fault, Jason. You just said to go play in the bathroom. And I decided to pull the fire alarm, so it's your fault. No, it's not, Jason. No, it is not my fault. You pulled the fire alarm. Okay, everyone. I guess come on here. Come to the classroom. William, you are cooked. You're gonna get shot. You're getting arrested or whatever. Okay, you're getting arrested. Teacher, it was William. William, go to the principal's office now. William, come to the principal's office. William, come to the principal's office. So, William, my name's Officer Scooter. You decided to pull the fire alarm? You decided